welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I am Lisa, aka Leap Year Rogers. I have a unit that I bought from Jessie's selection. Like I said, I bought. This is not sponsored. Jessie's selection. This is a high quality, it says a high life luxury hair. So let's see what this unit is about. And it's a cute little box. I love boxes and bowls. So let's see what she's about. Oh, let me tell y'all what I have. I have a 13x4 bob. It's a water wave, a TB 130 wig. So you are going to watch me style this baby. Comes in a little box like this. I'll show you guys in a minute. And we have some goodies. I have some mink lashes, which I'm still having issues with putting on lashes. Thank you for your purchase. Wig caps. And it's not that really tan wig caps. And easy to get cash rewards in the box. You guys can see that. How to get rewards. Submit Instagram videos and YouTube videos. Thank you, Jessie's. Oh, there's another wig cap in here. In the bag. Can always have wig caps. So this is a 12-inch bob water. 150%. Little fall colors. That has your standard cap. Adjustable straps. Make it look pluck areas. Look at that. Okay. All right. Alrighty. It has that factory smell. So I'm going to cut the lace. I'm cutting the lace off in the back. There's lace in the back, so don't forget when you get this wig to cut the lace off in the back. And I am going to cut the lace off. I'm not going to cut it off on my head. And I'm not going to glue it on while cutting the lace off. I'm just going to do it just like this. And you do it at a zigzag motion. If anybody is wondering where I got this top from, I got this top from Fashion Nova. I'll leave the link in the in the box below. I always get tongue-tied when I say that word. Description box. Okay, there's the lace. And I am going to find there it is. I'm going to use my lace tint. Ebon in light warm brown. I'm about almost out. Well, how about I am out? Well, you can always use your next thing to your makeup. You can use makeup. Like a whole lot of makeup. I'm gonna have to send you all through here one day and let y'all see my collection. I have to get ready to do I'm gonna do a giveaway. I know you guys like giveaways. I need to give away some things I buy and I don't use it, never used it. Okay, it looks like scalp. How she fits. Oh, I love this color. I don't even have to even glue it down, guys. I am not gonna glue this baby down. Do you guys see what I see? Do you see what I see? Guys, look at this. This is scalp. Once I use my Born This Way foundation in maple, because I ran out of lace tint. Okay, let's give this baby some gonna use some leave-in conditioner, some Cantu. Oh, I love this. This is absolutely beautiful. I love the colors. Put some kind of saturated, y'all. Use some water. This is so pretty. Do this. This is absolutely beautiful. Alrighty, now I'm going to use this Freeze Ease Dream Curls. No baby hairs. Well, maybe. I don't know. But this looks so natural. I'm just gonna put a little bit of, oops, glue spray right there so it can kind of look halfway natural, real. A little bit loving care back here. She is beautiful. Let's see. Back of me. Okay. Let me fix my makeup. Messed up. Okay, guys. Thanks for sticking around. Coming back. She is a beautiful wig. Would you guys buy her? What do you guys think? So let me show you guys what I did. Okay, I didn't use any glue. I didn't lay her down. I didn't use any baby hairs. She's just a, well, I use the bed head spray just on here at the top. She's an easy peasy slay. What do you guys think? I like her. It's a faux short bob. I like her. If you guys can do little baby hairs, I wasn't going to do the baby hairs. But I like her. Would you buy her? Tell me, guys, what do you think? Put your comments in the box below. I will put the link to Miss Jessie's wig in the description box below. And let's talk about it. To the next time, in the next video, I will see you guys till later. And thanks for sticking around. See you in the next video. Peace. Oh, comment, like, subscribe, share, and come back. See me again. Thank you, guys.